Hey, health enthusiasts. Are you ready to move beyond quick fixes and embrace a journey towards truly vibrant health that feels amazing inside and out? This isn't about chasing a number on the scale. It's about building a life where you feel energized, strong, and completely in tune with your body. Let's dive into creating sustainable habits that nourish your best self. True health and sustainable weight management are deeply interconnected. They involve nurturing your body through restful sleep, nutrient-dense food, and joyful movement. This holistic approach recognizes that your well-being is a complex ecosystem, not just a simple equation of calories in versus calories out. Forget the restrictive diets and fleeting trends. They often lead to frustration and don't build lasting habits. Our focus is on creating positive, achievable routines that support your body's natural ability to thrive. This is about empowerment, not deprivation. Sustainable change comes from consistent, mindful actions. We're setting realistic goals for sleep, exercise, and nutrition that you can integrate seamlessly into your life. This is your blueprint for long-term success and feeling fantastic every single day. Your morning routine sets the stage for your entire day. Starting with intention can dramatically impact your energy levels, mood, and metabolic function. Let's make your mornings a powerful launchpad for health. Resisting the snooze button is more than just discipline. It's about honoring your sleep cycle. Waking up promptly helps regulate your body's internal clock, leading to better sleep quality over time. This consistency boosts your energy and mental clarity. Imagine starting your day feeling alert and ready rather than groggy. This positive start makes you more likely to make healthy choices throughout the day, including finding time for movement. It's a small change, with a significant ripple effect on your productivity and well-being. Hydration is key after hours of sleep. Drinking a large glass of water immediately upon waking rehydrates your cells and can gently stimulate your metabolism. Adding a squeeze of lemon offers a refreshing taste and supports natural detoxification processes. Follow your water with a few minutes of gentle movement. Simple stretches or light yoga awaken your muscles and improve circulation. This mindful start connects you with your body and prepares it for the day ahead, reducing stiffness and promoting flexibility. Waking up just 30 minutes earlier can feel like a gift of time. Use this quiet period for yourself, perhaps for meditation, journaling, or a peaceful walk. This dedicated time reduces morning rush stress, which can otherwise trigger unhealthy cortisol levels. A calm morning sets a positive mental tone. It provides an opportunity to prepare a nourishing breakfast without feeling rushed. This simple shift can prevent impulsive, less healthy food choices later when stress levels rise. What you eat provides the building blocks and energy for every function in your body. As health enthusiasts, you know the power of nutrition. Let's refine your approach to optimize performance, recovery, and overall vitality. Skip the sugary, refined carbs that cause energy crashes. A protein-rich breakfast is crucial for sustained energy and satiety. Eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or a protein smoothie are excellent choices to start your day strong. Protein helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing those mid-morning hunger pangs and cravings for unhealthy snacks. It also supports muscle maintenance and growth, which is vital for metabolism and overall body composition. Fuel smart, feel great. Pay attention to your plate and your body's signals. Use the half-plate rule. Fill half with non-starchy vegetables, a quarter with lean protein, and a quarter with complex carbohydrates. This ensures a balanced intake of macronutrients and fiber. Eat slowly, savoring each bite. Put your fork down between mouthfuls and avoid distractions like screens. Listening to your body's hunger and fullness cues helps prevent overeating and improves digestion. Mindful eating transforms meals into nourishing experiences. When hunger strikes between meals, choose whole, unprocessed snacks. Nuts, seeds, fresh fruit, or vegetable sticks with hummus provide nutrients and fiber. These options keep you satisfied and support your health goals, unlike processed snacks. Liquid calories from sodas, juices, and sweetened beverages add up quickly without providing much nutritional value or satiety. Make water your primary drink throughout the day. Staying well hydrated is fundamental for countless bodily processes. Carry a reusable water bottle with you and sip regularly. Setting hourly reminders can help ensure you meet your hydration goals. Proper hydration supports metabolism, aids digestion, and can help distinguish between thirst and false hunger signals. Let's emphasize this again because it's that important for sustained energy and appetite control. Moving away from pastries and sugary cereals is a game changer. Prioritize sources like scrambled eggs, oatmeal with nuts and seeds, or a protein-packed smoothie. This strategic breakfast choice keeps you feeling full and focused for hours. It reduces the likelihood of reaching for less healthy options before lunch. Fueling with protein sets a positive metabolic tone for the rest of your day. Meal planning is your secret weapon against impulsive, unhealthy food choices. Dedicate some time each week to plan your meals and snacks. This reduces decision fatigue and ensures you have healthy options readily available. Keep your planned meals simple and balanced. A source of lean protein, plenty of vegetables, and a portion of whole grains or healthy fats. Batch cooking components like grilled chicken or roasted vegetables saves time during the busy week. Planning equals control. Don't shy away from healthy fats. Nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are nutritional powerhouses. They are packed with healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. These nutrient-dense options contribute to satiety, helping you feel full and satisfied between meals. Their healthy fats support brain health and reduce inflammation. Enjoy them in moderation as part of a balanced diet. They are a delicious way to boost your nutrient intake. Herbs and spices are more than just flavor enhancers. They are loaded with beneficial compounds. Turmeric, cinnamon, ginger, oregano, and chili powder offer potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Incorporating them generously into your cooking is a simple health hack. Turmeric, containing curcumin, is particularly noted for its powerful anti-inflammatory effects, which can support overall health and recovery. Cinnamon can help regulate blood sugar. Using herbs and spices allows you to add depth of flavor without relying on excess salt or unhealthy fats. Physical activity and mental well-being are integral components of a healthy lifestyle. Moving your body regularly and cultivating a positive mindset enhance your physical health, boost your mood, and improve your resilience. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate physical activity most days of the week. This doesn't have to be a grueling gym session. Find activities you genuinely enjoy: walking, dancing, cycling, swimming, or playing a sport. Consistency is more important than intensity initially. Break up your activity if needed. A brisk 15-minute walk in the morning and another in the evening is just as effective as a single 30-minute session. Find ways to incorporate movement naturally into your day, like taking the stairs or walking during phone calls. Your evening routine is just as important as your morning one. A gentle evening walk can aid digestion and help you relax. Creating a buffer between your busy day and sleep is crucial for quality rest. Power down electronic screens at least 30-60 minutes before bedtime. The blue light emitted can interfere with melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep. Create a calming ritual. Read a book, take a warm bath, or listen to soothing music. Prioritizing 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep is non-negotiable for health enthusiasts. Sleep is when your body repairs itself, consolidates memories, and regulates hormones, including those that control appetite and metabolism. Adequate sleep supports fat metabolism and muscle recovery. Establishing a time after which you stop eating can significantly impact your overall calorie intake and digestive health. Avoid eating late at night, ideally finishing your last meal or snack a few hours before bed. Brushing your teeth after your last meal can serve as a powerful psychological signal to your brain that the kitchen is closed for the night. This simple habit helps prevent mindless evening snacking and supports your body's natural fasting period overnight. Taking a few minutes before bed to journal can be incredibly beneficial for both mental clarity and staying on track with your health goals. Jot down what you ate, how you felt physically and emotionally, and your intentions for the next day. This practice builds self-awareness regarding your habits and triggers. It allows you to celebrate successes and identify areas for improvement without judgment. Planning tomorrow's healthy actions reinforces positive intentions and reduces morning decision fatigue. Implementing these habits is about progress, not perfection. Each small, consistent step you take builds momentum towards your health goals. Be patient and kind to yourself as you integrate these practices into your life. These routines are designed to be sustainable and enjoyable, fitting into the rhythm of your life rather than feeling like a burden. They are the building blocks of a vibrant, energetic future where you feel your absolute best every single day. You have the power to create this reality. Ready to feel more energized, stronger, and completely in control of your well-being? Start by choosing just one or two of these habits to focus on this week. Commit to them daily and notice the positive changes. Share your journey in the comments below. If you found this guide inspiring, please give it a like and subscribe for more empowering health insights. Let's build a healthier, happier community together.